Good morning everyone. My name is Ishanjan and today I am presenting a project, the Cosmic Board, in the theme of innovation and technology. Imagine that you are in a space mission millions of kilometers away from Earth and suddenly there is a toxic gas leak or the oxygen level starts dropping. What will you do when there is just a second? When there is just a second that makes the difference between life and death when no alert comes off. That is why we have a project, the Cosmic Board, intelligent environmental assistant board that is made for the astronauts by the students. Now you might ask, why is it unique? Because we all know that space stations have that big modern system that are fixed and bulky. But what do if an emergency comes up? What if they all are failed? That is why we have this portable and secondary backup Cosmic Board. Now talking about these various segments, first we talk about the capsules. Talking about capsules, they have various sensors. First of all, the MQ sensors, being the MQ8 for carbon dioxide and the MQ135, which is usually used for air quality monitoring. Specific gases are ammonia, carbon monoxide and methane. These sensors have a certain radius and the capsule will move in that certain radius and the sensor will collect all the data. The data will be fetched by the main head station, which has the ESD, and then this data will be sent to the main website. The data that will be sent, which will be a live sensor data, it will be all real time and updated. As you can see, if there is any unusual update in the gas sensor reading, so pop-up warning will be shown on the website. Now, we all know that health is as critical of the astronaut as the spaceship itself. That is why we also have a health monitoring system. This health monitoring system has two major sensors. First, the touch capacitive sensor and the pulse sensor. When an astronaut will place its hand on the frame, the touch sensor will detect the reading of its hand and the pulse sensor will take the pulse reading. This pulse reading will be further used by a chatbot, astrobot, and this pulse reading can be used to make the BPM and heart rate. Now talking about the website, it has a very user-friendly and easily understandable interface, so the astronaut can easily navigate through the various functions. Now the astronaut health monitoring. This is a very interactive and very simple chart for analytic understanding of the BPM and the heart rate. Now there is a pulse reading. Now talking about the chatbot astrobot. This is an interactive chatbot that can be used for mechanical injuries, repairs. It also adds companionship as a help and a health monitoring. I can ask all the questions to the astrobot and it will simply answer in a very detailed explanation. Here, in the terms of companionship, you can make it read the last message, and there is also a microphone option so the astronaut can speak. Here is the description of the astrobot. Now talking about other parts, I have also said that it also detects about mechanical injuries and repairs. So there is the emergency option. When I click on it, you will see there are various emergencies and failures that might occur in the station. For example, a health warning. What if the pulse sensor reading is too high or too low? What should the astronaut do? Here are the treatments or the repairs that the astronaut would perform. Talking about the dashboard again. Here is also remote control of the capsule. For example, the astronaut wants to operate it remotely or independently or in coordination with the main website, main head station. So you can remotely move with the help of the functions that are present in the website. Talking about the past incident and disasters, for example, the Soyuz 11 mission, which was failed due to depressurization, the Mir space station fire, and the Apollo 3 oxygen level depletion and explosion. If there would have been a Cosmic Board such as a portable backup, might the history have been different? Thank you.